this part of this tutorial, we're going to format our USB flash drive to store the rootfs file system. So if you have gparted, if you don't have gparted, you need to install it. And if you do have gparted, just do open it up using sudo gparted. Plug in your USB flash drive and open up. So let me delete everything, and then you can unmount. You have to unmount your flash drive before you can format the partition. Alright, so I'm going to delete this one and start over. So what you want to do is right click on that, new. Another thing that if you want to use your USB flash drive, you have like a large USB flash drive, like a 16 gig, and you want to use some of it as a FAT32, just a generic flash drive to open up in your Windows machine. Then that's the first thing you have to do. You have to make the first partition has to be a FAT32 partition if you want to use that as a flash drive for your Windows. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm going to label this one flash drive, and it has 1 gig. Since I don't have 4 gig for this flash drive, I'm just use 500 MB for the flash partition, and then add. So, and the next part of the partition, this will be where you want how large you want your partition to be to store your rootfs, which is your file system for the Ubuntu on the Panda board. So I'm just going to use the rest of it, and you want to use extension 4 for the Ubuntu, and you set the label to something like Ubuntu 1, so it's easier to recognize. Or if you don't do that, they have a default UUID, and it's really long, so you don't want to do that. So you want to create your own label here. So hit add. So click check OK and apply. And gpart will format your USB flash drive. So when you plug in your USB flash drive to a Windows machine, you won't be able to see this part because it's extension 4, but you will be able to use this part as a generic flash drive for any other use. You can see both of them in a Linux operating system though, so you can store data here and transfer it to your Windows machine and use it that way. So this concludes this part of this tutorial.